Hey, it's Kapresha, and I know that I said I was gonna do. Well, I know I mentioned that my Valentine's Day gift came in today, which is a little bit early, and I said I was gonna look at it tomorrow. At least that's what I told Corey. That's what we agreed on. We agreed. Corey's right here on the phone. We agreed that I would open the gift when he was in town, but he wants me to open the gift right now. So I'm going to do my unboxing of my Valentine's Day gift, and I have absolutely no clue of what it is. And he wouldn't give me a hint. So here we go. Ready? Yeah. Okay. Oh God. Oh goodness. See, that's why you should have been here so I could solicit help. There we go. I've opened up a box like this before. Okay. It takes me a little longer because these hands. Let's see. Oh. I'm gonna have to probably speed this part through, Chan. Them fingertips red. Okay. Let me know you're ready. Okay. Let's see. I've had a box like this before, Mr. Mitchell. Oh. Okay. Let's see. Oh. My Adidas stuff? I must have opened the wrong box. This is my Adidas stuff. Okay, we're gonna save this box unboxing for another time. I opened the wrong box. Okay, take two. I opened the wrong box. That box is another unboxing I was gonna do of my Adidas outfits. Well, so the cat's on the back a little bit. Sorry, babe. Okay, Chandler went ahead and took the scissors and got the box started. She wanted to help her mom out. So, okay. Let's see. No. Okay. What is this? Okay. I was going to take the boxes out. The boxes are upside down. The boxes are upside down for one. Okay, so hold on. Oh, wait. Wait a minute. Okay, it's upside down. Okay. Red inside. Oh, I knew it. Well, I only knew because of the red. Usually when you open up a box that has red paper in it, it's Louboutin. It's Louboutin. Let's see. There you go. Okay, let's see. It says, Happy Valentine's Day, baby. Happy Valentine's Day to you too, babe. And it says, love your red souls. Okay, this is a note from Louboutin. Happy Valentine's Day to you too. Let's see. This is so funny because I don't even know what is in this box. Okay, let's see. Okay, you know. Let's see. Okay. It's in a duster. Okay. Ooh. That looks good. Wait a minute. We got some, wait a minute. She got some, they didn't put her in the box good. Got the little flaps that are a little bit, see, curled up a little bit. Oh, here's the back. She's beautiful though. I love her. Love the color. Oh, see. So nice. It's got me sweating. Here's the inside. Let's see. Let me take this out. The paper's out. Huh? I would say this is large. Would you, Champ? I would. Yeah, it's not small, babe. Here's the inside. I like the. It has the leather. I'll get my life together here. The leather. Such a struggle. Okay, I'm struggling. the inside, see, babe? Oh yeah. Okay, let's see. These hands are giving me a fit. Okay, see? Oh yeah. And it's suede, and the strap is adjustable. Oh, the straps are adjustable. It's really, really pretty. Thank you, babe. You could tell that they had the strap banging up against the back right here because it has a little bit of, yeah, I gotta get her right so I can put her little flaps down. I'll do that later. Okay, thank you, babe. Thank you. That was really pretty. And that would actually go with my the Louboutin flip-flops with the cheetah print, because that's it's the same print. Because I don't care about it. I'll wear suede whenever I want, not just in the winter or the fall. Okay. Oh, here, running my mouth. Here's a Louboutin box, so we know the shoes are in here. Oh goodness. I know these are usually for heels. Okay. And the bags for the shoes. Which one did you pick? Oh my goodness. Oh, I always wanted these. The little strap, the sling bags. I've wanted these for so long. Thank you, babe. It's okay. I said, read me. I'm delicate. Please try me on clean carpeted surface only. If you are keeping me, remove the sticker. So if you're not keeping it, keep the sticker on. Oh gosh, I hope I can fit it. Oh, you can. Oh, I like the little the logo right there. It has a logo up here. Usually I have a time with Louboutins. I always get them and I can never fit them. These are really, I like these because you can dress them up or down. That's why I wanted some slings. Baby, thank you. Thank you. I will bring out the club foot, but I'll do that off the camera. What you think, Britt? What you think,
I think they look nice.
And they're like almost not matte, but what, semi-matte leather? Oh, so hope I can fit them. I love that little logo. That's so pretty. Thank you, babe. This is a sexy shoe. That is such a sexy. What size did you get? I know you wanted a sling back. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it off camera. But this is so pretty. I'm gonna be working on the little, because the way that they had it in the bag and the duster, the corners were up. So I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna lay it flat so that the corners could go back down. But this is gorgeous. I have a few pair of shoes, especially I'm just really thinking about those the flip flops. That would look so good with these. This is so pretty. And this is year round. Look, I got the little tassels on the side. This is so pretty. I'm surprised it didn't have it red at the bottom. This is really pretty. But okay, well, I will relish later. But thank you so much, babe, for my Valentine's Day gift. Thank you for loving me. Thank you. And thank you guys for hanging out with me while I'm doing my unboxing. For anyone who cares to be a part of my life, which is all over the place sometimes, just make sure you follow me, subscribe to my channel, send me a message, and always, always remember to love each other, and most of all, love yourself.